Receptive brings product demand intelligence to software companies. For customer success teams, this means you'll finally have a way to accurately track and quantify demand from your customer base, see a prioritized list of requirements at a user and account level, and add requests and prioritize on behalf of your customers. With our single sign-on integration, customers just click a button or link in your app to be automatically signed into their dashboard. Our customer view is purposely very simple. Customers can easily suggest a feature here, and as I start typing, similar features will appear below to avoid duplicates being submitted. Any features they submit get added to their priority list, and then they can dial in how important it is. As you can see, if I increase the priority for one feature, the other goes down slightly. This is to stop your customers from telling you that everything is important. Your customers can also view requests submitted by other customers and any public requests submitted by team members. They can easily add their vote to these requests and then reprioritize their list. Here's a quick view of the feature page that customers see, where they can add feedback, use cases, and ideas. Your customers can also see your release log, which includes any features you released, and they're automatically added here. This is brilliant from a transparency point of view. Even if you're not building features that customers specifically requested, they can see that progress is being made. If you choose to expose a roadmap, you have two options. There's a list view, which is automatically populated anytime a feature moves into building or planned status. You also have the option to show a graphical view roadmap, which is a theme-based roadmap and is 100% customizable for your needs. Remember how your customers log in through your app? One important thing to remember is that when you log in as an admin, you need to go to receptive.io and click the login button in the upper right-hand corner. This is where you'll land. Here are any recent feature requests that have been added. Your timeline is on the right-hand side, and here is where you will have your own priorities on your product. Click on any feature and the status will be listed in the top right-hand corner and under the description with any notes from the product team. You'll also find a discussion thread to explain use cases and dig down into pain points. From here, your product team will update the status of a feature request, which will automatically update progress to customers and team members and automatically update your roadmap and release logs. If a customer sends you a feature request in an email or on the phone, Receptive makes it super easy to take care of. All you have to do is create a request on their behalf, then Receptive handles the follow-ups as that request is reviewed and updated. All you have to do is click Suggest, start typing the feature title, and if that feature is already there, it will pop up below so you can tie the customer to that request. Otherwise, fill in the details of the request and click the U button to open the search box. Start typing the customer's first name and select the correct user, and now they will be tied to that request. That's it. Your customer is now going to be automatically kept in the loop on their request. Once you've added a customer, take this opportunity to tell them about Receptive and explain that they'll be updated as the feature is reviewed by the product team. Encourage them to add their use case and additional feedback in the comment section on that request. We have some great examples of how to do this on our help site, which will be linked below. Select the feature that the customer requested. Add the customer directly to the request using the feature feedback sidebar. Click Add Customer here. Simply start typing the customer's name. Your customer will be automatically added to that feature request. If you're on the phone with a customer who indicates that their priority should be updated, you can do this for them. Select Customers from the top right-hand icon. Select the correct customer account, and then select the correct user. Alternatively, you can just click through if you know where the user is located. To update the customer's priorities, just click on the Edit button and rearrange based on what they've told you. Click Done Editing, and their new priorities will be saved. In Receptive, you can get really smart insights about what's going on to help your customers accelerate their success. Select Customers from the top right-hand icon and choose the correct customer account. This leads you to the Account Priorities page, which includes all requests from all the users in that customer account, listed by priority. Drill down to a specific user from the list on the left-hand side to see an individual's requests and priorities. Before a meeting or phone call with a customer, review the Release tab to see any features that you've recently released for that customer. See if they've used it and if they have any feedback or additional requests. If you ever need to research the status of a feature request for a customer, or you just want to know if the product team has made any progress on a feature that you've requested, just use the search box in order to find that feature. Just open that request to see all the latest comments and updates. Whether you notice that something needs to be improved in your own software or you have an idea that would help you do your job better, you can submit features that you'd like to see implemented. Just click Suggest from the top navigation. Add a title and description, including your use case, and click Submit. Then, just head to your dashboard to update your priorities just as your customers can. This way, your product team will know what's most important to you and your team. If you have any ideas for how the Receptive software could help you and your team, we'd love to hear them. From your dashboard, just click the drop-down menu and click Request Receptive Feature. You're now in our customer view, and you can suggest, search, vote, and prioritize features that you'd like to see us build.